So truly, how many of us have done this? We get too hot, so we try and put one leg out of our blankets, then two, then we try our side, we try our back, and finally we just give up. Well, now you don't have to have restless nights if you're checking out this 8,000 BTU air conditioner by Garvee. Now this is the perfect size for bedrooms, office, nursery, or even a garage, as it comfortably cools up to 350 square feet. Some of the details I love about this unit is not only does it cool your space, but it also can be used as a fan, a dehumidifier, and a heater all in one. So now you can pretty much say goodbye to having to take out your air conditioner out of the window in those cooler months. Not only does this unit have 3 different speeds, low, medium, and high, it actually cools the space really fast, it's energy efficient, and the fact that most vacuum cleaners and wash machines are way louder than this. Now this unit is super easy to use. There are 3 different options as to how to run it. You can see this first option has a digital screen right at your fingertips. The second way is with the remote control here. It does have 5 different settings. It's got the cool, heat, dehumidifier, fan, and then an auto setting. I love the fact that I can run this right from my bed, or if you were in an office, you could definitely run it from your chair. And then finally is the third option. You will download an app on your phone and you can run it from there. I like that feature because if you are out and about and you want to turn it down in your room before you come home, you can do that. Or if you're not sure that you've even left your machine on, you could check your app to see if you have that running. They even include everything you need to install it, from the window mounts to the hardware to even the window foam. Now, I just want to thank the brand for gifting this to me so that I could test this out and bring it to you and let you know my full thoughts on it. I love having a personal unit right in my bedroom to just be more comfortable and sleep better. So thanks for watching.